Yo, what's going on, guys? Just here back at it again with another reaction. So today I'm going to be reacting to two groups, Infinite and Lovelyz, both of them from Rulem, and this is their Christmas songs that I really enjoy personally. It's like there's such perfect Christmas vibes between both of them. I'm like amazed. Because obviously I hear a lot of K-pop like try to do music. Christmas music concepts, and it's always like it's either too much hip hop or too much too much pop music inside it, and it's like it's not enough Christmassy, you know what I mean? And so it's like this like Infinite and Lovelyz, they got it down so perfectly. Like I literally listen to these songs during Christmas. For me personally, what type of Christmas songs do you guys enjoy? I love this song, and then I love B2B's what's one song? You Can Cry. Great Christmas songs. Yeah, okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, 0. One thing I love about Infinite is like the vocal colors for each members are all so drastically different. Like he just like each member comes up, you're like, oh my god, this is the best member right here. Oh wait, this one sounds the best. You know what I mean? So it's like there's never like one member you enjoy more than the other. That's I think one of the best things about Infinite, in my opinion.
상상하는 저 상황 이제 현실로 그대 내려와
Magical, man. Magical. One of the top 10 best K-pop Christmas songs out there, in my opinion. What do you guys think? All right, on to the next one. Lovelyz Twinkle. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
멀리 들리는 날 설레게 하는 그 떨림에 터지는 미소 마치 달콤한 사탕 같은 날 웃게 만드는 종소리가 자꾸 나를 계속 부르는 듯해 그 떨림을 놓치기 싫은 걸 좀 더 가까이 보고 싶어 그 소리에 귀를 기울여 조금 더 가까이 들려줘요 딩동댕 마음속 깊이 숨겨둔 보물상자 울리는 그 소리 끝에 있을 물음표 내게 내 귀에 소리가 들리게 해줘 이런 설레임의 시작을 알고 싶은데 순간의 그 떨림을 믿어볼게 조금 더 깊이 느낄 수 있도록 조금 더 선명히 와줘 수많은 두근거림 중에 어떤 선택 하나 둘셋넷 좋은 게 너무 많은 걸 좀 더 확실하게 빛날 너를 보여줘 조금 더 가까이 들려줘요 딩동댕 마음속 깊이 숨겨둔 보물상자 울리는 그 소리 끝에 있을 물음표 내게 내 귀에 소리가 들리게 해줘 이런 설레임의 시작을 알고 싶은데 순간의 그 떨림을 믿어볼게 조금 더 깊이 느낄 수 있도록 조금 더 선명히 와줘 피어나는 미소와 순간의 이 느낌 난 잊지 않을게 내 귀에 소리가 들리게 해줘 이런 설레임의 시작을 알고 싶은데 들려줘 순간의 그 떨림을 믿어볼게 조금 더 깊이 느낄 수 있도록 조금 더 선명히 와줘
You know, it's kind of sad that they had disbanded. You know, just like some of their songs are like some of like literally the song. What's it called? It's called "The" by Lovelyz. Is like literally one of the songs I literally played for almost like 3 or 4 years straight. And like for like all of my early college days. So it's literally like they were literally one of my favorite groups out there in K-pop. I just love Woolman groups in general. They have the sound I personally enjoy. But yeah, man, a little bit bittersweet, you know. Great Christmas music, but it's kind of sad that they don't really. They have like obviously if it hasn't made a comeback in a while, Lovelyz disbanded. So. but the bittersweetness is there's always a sweet side, is that they had put out a ton of great music, and that's the best part about it. Songs like these, instant classics for me personally. But what do you guys think? Do you guys enjoy these songs as much as I did? If not, to my episode, tell me so. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. Jester out.